Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to make a racetrack. I got this idea from Facebook on a Facebook page called the Dad Lab. And there he has wonderful ideas for different things for you to do. You might want to check that out. So what we need for our racetrack, we need 2 paper plates, and I've got the plasticky paper plates just because they're a little bit harder. I put them together, I drew a circle inside that I need to cut out. Go round and round. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And you could save the inside of this to make another craft sometime. We don't want to waste things. We like to reduce, reuse, recycle. All right. Then I'm cutting some slits in my paper plate. This is going to be a guardrail. Slits like that. And I'm still cutting through both paper plates because it doesn't have to be perfect. Here we go. 2 paper plates cut together. I want to lift these up. That's my guardrail. Oh, my phone's ringing. I better just tell them to hang on because I'm much too busy to answer that right now. We'll just leave it. I'll just phone them back. So we keep lifting these up. There we go. Now we want to make a figure 8 out of this, like this. So what we need to do is staple this together right there. Staple and staple the bottom piece together. Just like that. So we have a figure 8 racetrack. Lift those up again if you need to. And then for our car, we're going to use a ping pong ball. And we put our ping pong ball on there and see if we can get our ping pong ball. Oh, I missed that one. Hang on. Come back here, ping pong ball. The trick is to try and keep the ping pong ball on your racetrack. So let's see. Might take a little bit of practice. Whoa. And that's something that could keep you busy for a while. Making your ping pong ball go down the racetrack. You might have something else at home you'd like to try on that racetrack. So there's a quick idea to make a little racetrack, and I got that idea from the Dad Lab on Facebook. I hope you have a great day and have fun with your racetrack. Have a good day. Goodbye.